Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, and thanks for clicking on this video. Today's product is one that I'm genuinely excited about. The genuine white ADPC1936 AC adapter 19V2A38W for Philips 226V4 TFB/93227E6 L247 ESQ276E7Q2. 47E6 QSD 220C4 LSB GW2406Z LCD monitor. Let me paint a picture for you. You need a reliable product, something that just works. But every time you order something online, you feel like you're rolling the dice. Will it be good? Will it fall apart in a week? It's stressful, right? Well, I have great news. The genuine white ADPC1936 AC adapter 19V2A38W for Philips 226V4 TFB/93227E6 L247 ESQ276E7Q2. 47E6 QSD 220C4 LSB GW2406Z LCD monitor is exactly the kind of product that restores your faith in online shopping. It's well made, it performs beautifully, and the design is absolutely on point. This is the solution you've been looking for. Oh, and did I mention there's a discount going on right now? You can get the genuine white ADPC1936 AC adapter 19V2A38W for Philips 226V4 TFB/93227E6 L247 ESQ276E. 7Q247E6 QSD 220C4 LSB GW2406Z LCD monitor for only US $30.82. That's a limited time price, so you'll want to act fast. What really sets this product apart is the reviews. People are genuinely loving it. We're seeing 5-star ratings pouring in from customers across more than 30 countries worldwide. That kind of global recognition tells you everything you need to know about the quality. If you want to grab this deal, just click the link in the description to go straight to the order page. Alright everyone, that's all for today. If you liked this video, smash that like button, leave a comment telling me what you think, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out, and I'll see you soon.